The treble crochet is basically a longer version of the double crochet. Chain any length. Then yarn over twice, and insert your hook into the 5th chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have 3 loops left on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over one last time, and pull through the final 2 loops. That's 1 treble crochet stitch. Repeat this process in each chain across the row. When you reach the end of the row, chain 4. This chain 4 counts as your first treble crochet for the next row. Skip the stitch directly below the chain, and start your next treble crochet in the 2nd stitch of the previous row. At the end of the row, make your last treble crochet into the top of the chain 4 from the previous row. This keeps the edges of your project even. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. For a double treble crochet, you simply add 1 more yarn over. So yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook into the 6th chain from the hook. Work the stitch the same way. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time, until 1 loop is left. This is a bit longer than the treble crochet, and here you have to chain 5 to turn.